Test drive the 2011 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, four-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, bed liner, fog lights, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.